Hey, maybe it's not going to happen.
What's not going to happen? I just overheard that it was a false alarm.
It was a false alarm. Oh man, what a rotten luck.
Barry, that's good luck.
Oh, okay. Jung, phew.
Not unless somebody pulled the fire alarm.
Who'll do a thing like that?
Hey dorks. Did you see those stupid 6th graders run away like babies? You shouldn't seen the look on their faces. Ha 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 ha. And it will be a shame if the firefighters came. And guess what, it only took them 3 minutes and 29 seconds to get here. It's really funny how do they get here so fast. What, you don't think I mean?
Ahem, excuse me. Mr. Mole, is this your backpack? It was found underneath the flames of the fire alarm pool station.
Oh dear. What I did was very dumb and dangerous. And what I did was very disrespectful to all those 6th graders. Who was very nice to me, I'm sorry. And I promise to never pull the fire alarm again. Even though when there's an actual fire in the school. The end.
I'm glad that you are understanding the serious situation. But, I'm getting confused. Why did you pull the fire alarm? Give us one good reason. Why you did that.
Because I'm bored out of my mind with nothing to do. And I thought pulling the fire alarm will be a funny prank.
Professor Molo. You know very well that pulling a fire alarm is never a joke. It's actually a crime. And you are very lucky that you are not in jail. And maybe you should talk to the school counselor about this.
But I said that I'm sorry, can you just punish me a little bit?
Normally, you will be suspended for weeks or months. But, I just thought something in mind. Instead of a suspension, you will be attending several hours of community service. Every day starting today and the end of the last week of school next week.
And there will be having some serious consequences for you. When we get back home. Professor Molo, I am very disappointed of you pulling the fire alarm at school today. That's it. You are so grounded for 3 months. This means no creating monsters, no pulling pranks, no video games, no Dairy Queen, no making inventions, no state fair, no nothing. Now, go outside and start your community service. And when you come back inside the house, you will go straight upstairs to your room. And straight into your bed.